Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to change Skout location. Now for those of you wondering what is in Skout, Skout is a dating app where you'll meet various people. You can chat with them or match with them or even watch their live videos on Skout dating app. Now to change location in Skout, you need to simply follow the steps on in the video. So you simply watch the videos in the very end to find about it. So let's begin with the video. Now to change a Skout location, make sure that you have downloaded Skout app on a device. So let's see, open Skout on a device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So as you can see, this is the homepage of Skout where you'll see options like meet, live, chat, match and so on. Now if you want to change this location, then you need to simply close Skout, open App Store on a device, and you need to simply search any VPN which is suitable to you. So simply search the VPN which is suitable to you. So I have currently downloaded this, so there is an update available, so wait for it to get updated on my device. So after updating, you need to simply connect to your VPN. Now select the server which you want to change your location to. So I'm just selecting a random location, so I'm trying to connect to any random location. So it has been connected to Singapore, so you may change your location according to your choice. So after that, you may open Skout on device and you will see various new peoples with new faces on your Skout. That's it. That's how you can change location on Skout. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.